Good morning, children. Today, we will discuss one concept. If a by b whole to the power of 1 is there, then what you will write? A by b 1. If a by b whole to the power of 2 is there, then a by b into a by b whole to the power of 3 is there. So 3 times you will write. 10 is there. 10 times you will write. Like a by b whole to the power of minus 3 is there. A by b whole to the power of minus 3 is there. Okay. Now, we have a formula that for expansion of this, a to the power of minus n is 1 by a to the power of n. Okay, if power is in negative terms, then it will be the reciprocal of the given term. If the same formula you will apply for the fraction a by b whole to the power of minus n is nothing but 1 by a by b whole to the power of n. Then this can be written as 1 by a by b can be written as b by a whole to the power of n. That means a by b whole to the power of minus n can be written as b by a whole to the power of n. Okay. That means if 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 10, then it can be 3 by 2. The fraction will be reciprocal and the power will be positive. Then the same formula if you apply here, then it is b by a whole to the power of plus 3. So when you get a negative number, like if power is a negative, then you should take the reciprocal of its base. That's why it's a reciprocal formula. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. A by b whole to the power of minus n is equal to b by a whole to the power of n. Okay, we will discuss some examples. So the first one is 3 square minus 2 square. It is in brackets, if you observe, divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Okay, everybody knows the BODMAS rule. BODMAS. BODMAS. Bracket in the order of, right? Division. Okay, bracket in the order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first you should do in bracket. In bracket, what is there? 3 square, 9, 2 square, 4. Okay. Now I am doing this division symbol into multiplication. Whenever you are doing the division into multiplication, the second number will reciprocal. Right? So here of course 1 by 5. So I will write it as 5 by 1. 9 minus 4, that is 5 into 5 square. Here nothing, 1. Here it is 2. We have a formula, okay? That is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Bases are equal, power should be added. So 5 to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. You can leave the answer in exponential position or you can write 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 cube is equal to 125. Okay. Now, what formula I used here? Suppose a into, okay, a divided by b can be written as a into 1 by b. A divided by b is equal to a. Division, if I make into, then it will be reciprocal. That's the formula I used here to solve the sum. We will do one more example. That is, express minus 32 by 243 in power notation. Okay, here 32 and 243 are composite numbers. They are not prime numbers. So 32 under prime factorization, 2 table 16 times, again 2, 8 times, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. Good. Now 243, 3 table, 8 3s, 1, 3 table, 27, 3 table, 9, 3 table, 3. Of course, 243 also came 3 to the power of 5. Now minus 32 by 243 is equal to minus 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 and 243 can be written as 3 to the power of 5. That implies we can write minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of 5. Because here this is in the form of a power m and b power m. A power m, b power m. Here power is m and here power is m. Both are same powers. Bases are different. Bases are different. Then we can write it as a by b whole to the power of m. So this is the formula I used here to make the simplify. And very important thing we need to discuss here, that is minus 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. I wrote minus 2 power 5 by 3 power 5 I wrote. Because suppose if minus 16 is given, that means here 16, how many times? 4 times. So minus 2 to the power of 4. Where minus 16 we cannot write minus of 2 to the power of 4. Because if power is even, then the minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. So minus 16 can be written as minus, if you want to write 2 power 4. Okay? Understand? So the minus is separate here, the number is separate. It's a number of negative quantity. Number is negative quantity. Minus and 16 you are expressing as 2 to the power of 4, not minus 16. Minus is a quantity representing, it's a negative number. You should not write that is as minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Keep it in mind. Now we'll solve one more example, children. Here b square minus 9 into b minus 1 whole square. We need to solve, provided b is equal to 1.2 is given. What is b value? 1.2. First let me simplify b value. 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10. 2 table if I cancel, 6 by 5. So what is b value? I got it 6 by 5. I will substitute here 6 by 5 whole square, 9 into 6 by 5 minus 1 whole square. 6 square 36 by 25, 9 into 5 LCM, 5 ones are 5 whole square. So 36 by 25 minus 6 minus 1, 1 by 5 square, 25. Now what is the LCM? 25. So 25 in 25, one time, or else bases are, that is denominators are same, directly you can subtract the numerators. Okay, 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 value, 27 by 25. Okay, you can leave like that, or you can write in a power notation. 27 is 3 cube, 25 is 5 square. Either bases are same, not same, powers are not same, You cannot simplify further. Okay? So 27 by 25 or 3 cube by 5 square gives the same answer. Now, in this example, you can see more number of minus, right? Don't worry. We have a formula that a by b whole to the power of minus n is equal to b by a whole to the power n. So you have a chance or you have a formula to convert minus into positive, into plus. Okay? Do not worry. So reciprocal minus 7 by 4 minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 4 whole to the power of 4 divided by, here also negative power is there. That's good. Minus 7 by 4 whole to the power of 10. Okay. Now, minus whole to the power of even number. Suppose minus a whole to the power of n will be a power n if n is even. So, if power is even, the minus will become positive. If n is odd, minus will become negative. You already learned. The same formula I used here. Okay, minus whole to the power of even number. N is even. Then it will become positive. Now, 7 by 4 whole to the power of 4 divided by 7 by 4 whole to the power of 10. So look at the question and this step. In this, more number of minus is there. Now we eliminated minus step by step. What is the first step? Minus 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus. If power minus is there in any fraction, then what you should do? Reciprocal of the fraction. So I wrote 7 by 4 and 7 by 4. Now powers become positive. Now in next step I eliminated even this minus also, because I observed both the powers are even numbers. If any number, okay, a negative quantity raise it to the even power, then the quantity will become positive. So now it is becomes plus 7 by 4 and it is also plus 7 by 4. So now I am using one more formula. A power m divided by a power n. Very good. A power m minus n. So 7 by 4 whole to the power of m minus n. 4 minus 10. So 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 6. 4 minus 10. Value is minus 6. Good. So when power is negative, then what will be your answer? Good. 4 by 7 whole to the power of 6. Okay.